Okay, I'm sitting here with Steve Fanning, CEO of Solta Medical, and they have some exciting news. It's been out for a couple weeks now about their recent acquisition of Aesthera. And if you would, just tell us, why you purchased Aesthera and what it does for Solta Medical.
Sure. Well, we're very excited. This is a great opportunity for us, and there have been four things that we've always said when we do an acquisition that we want to make sure we do. Specifically, one, we want to get a company with a brand, and Aesthera has Isolaz. That's a great brand. Number two, we want a company with a gross margin in excess of 60%, and their margins are approaching 70%. Number three, we want to make sure that it's within our call point, which is the plastic and the derm. And finally, a recurring revenue stream, because the model for Solta is not simply a company that has a generator or capital equipment. This business, like our other two businesses, Thermage and Fraxel, has a disposable. 33% of the revenue for the Isolaz brand comes from a disposable tip. So those are four things that we look for whenever we do an acquisition, and this hit all four. There is a fifth, and it happens to be that if the company is local, that's even better because it will help the integration process. And the Aesthera Corporation is about 20 minutes away from Solta Medical. So we think that we'll be able to really incorporate this business quickly into the Solta model, and we will have everything completed by May 1st.
How much does this widen your depth as far as with the number of physicians and professionals that you will interact with?
Well, it really helps us out immensely because right now there are only 1,500 Isolaz systems placed worldwide. To give you another number, there are 5,000 between Fraxel and Thermage that are placed. This is on the same call point for us, but only less than 10% of the current customers that we call on have an Isolaz product. So we really think it's a great opportunity. Again, to give you some more numbers, when we took over the business from Reliant, only 10% had a Fraxel and a Thermage. And what we've been able to do is to effectively get customers to purchase both. So in Q4, 26% of our business came from customers who had a Thermage or a Fraxel machine, and now they have both. And 16% of our business came from doctors who purchased both. So even in this rough economy, doctors are purchasing two of our products, which represent probably about $150,000 for them, because a Thermage system costs between $50 and $60, and a Fraxel system costs between $90 and $100. So we really think there's a great opportunity now to have kind of a trifecta to leverage three of these businesses together. So we really think we've got a great opportunity because we have a dual sales force. We have a sales force that sells capital, and we have a sales force that sells consumables. So Solta is a very unique company in what is called the aesthetic energy device business. We're the only company with this dual sales force, and we are the only company that has brands. We have the two most recognized brands. Now we have three with the addition of Isolaz in our bag. So all in all, this is a great acquisition for us. We're getting great people from the company. We're increasing the size of our sales force. So overall, we think we'll be able to, again, play to our strengths with the strategy that we have. And it's a very different strategy than anyone else in the AED space. Solta not only brings innovation with new products to the table, but it brings innovation in how we call on our customer, the fact that we have brands, the fact that we have a disposable, and again, we have the largest sales force, and we spend more on R&D than any of the other competitors within this space. In fact, we spend 2.5 times more in revenue, in dollars, in terms of R&D. So all in all, we think this combination of products, people, and again, having a differentiated business model will really help us with this business.
What is it that Isolaz offers? I mean, why would you want it? Besides, obviously it has a business model. Why pick this device?
Well, adult acne and acne in general for teenagers is a very, very large market. In fact, it's one of the largest markets in the derm business. So it's a big market, and it's a product that provides results. Within 1 or 2 days, you will see some dramatic results as a result of using the Isolaz product. So it's a big market, and it's a product that works.
Love it. Thank you very much.
You're quite welcome. Thank you.